reach this challenge with a new method which is a new hydrostatic pressure. The process was found by Professor Gérard Demazot, who was professor of science on high pressure for 40 years. He worked on high pressure. Unfortunately, before I write and published the article, it was dead in 73 years ago, 70 years old, excuse me. I think that we can thank him for this process he find about 3 years of work. Human milk collected for the milk bank can be contaminated by different pathogens as vegetative forms or spores. Two thermal processes can be used as pasteurization methods. The long temperature, long time LTLT or older method is the method, a classical method on almost all lactarium human milk bank in the world. There is a recent other method with temperature, high temperature, short time, HTST, with the condition of temperature higher, 72 degrees Celsius, but in 5 to 15 seconds. And we will develop our processes, and we will compare to this method. The main problem in the thermal pasteurization, the non-inactivation of bacterial spores is done. There is no destruction of spore by the temperature method, the two. The possible degradation of bioactivity, biological activity of the different components of the human milk by older method, less by HTST. High hydrostatic pressure develop a weak energy compared to thermal process. High process can irreversibly inactive a large variety of pathogens, yeast, molds, bacteria, and some virus as CMV. The conventional approach developed in Japan in 1990, essentially to sterilize the meat and fruit. And orange juice but not human milk. There is a classical three parameters: the pressure value, the temperature value, the duration of the process. In order to get the irreversible inactivation of vegetative and spore is necessary to reach high pressure value of 6,000 bar. In such a pressure value, possible modification of the treated product. Two goals for developing an appropriate process based on high hydrostatic pressure and able to be developed in milk bank. First, inactivation of all pathogen spores, which represent about between 7 to 14% of the collection in France and also in other countries. And this milk is discarded, and with the price of the milk, it's about 150 pounds in England. In France, about 100 euro, and the lyophilised milk is 150 euro. So, if this goal is fine, is reached, we spare lost money, because I want to see the collection. If you have 10,000 liters per year for the Marmande and for the Paris Human Milk Bank, you have about 1,000 liters of milk discarded, and you lose about 100,000 pounds or euro. Is the you may keep this money, and this surtout and economy and you economize the milk, which is very rare, because you have to collect this milk. And the two goals is preservation of the activity of a wide range of the human milk component. These slides recall our challenge to increase the microbiologic safety and to protect the integrity of the product. HP Biotech is a very small industry. Add parameter. There is no 3 parameters, but 4 parameters, and it considers the pressurization rate of VA and application mode. During this last 5 years, HP Biotech has defined the impact of such parameters on the inactivation of spore, but we don't destroy the spore is not possible to destroy. But the spore look at the milieu, and if it find that is good, it be transformed in vegetative form. And with the new parameter, where is in vegetative form, we break with pressure which is very lower, because it's 3,500 bar. So it's a very light pressure. Ça, j'en ai parlé. So, you inactive vegetative form about 10 power 6 colony per milliliter. Example, Staphylococcus aureus, multi-resistant, the more dangerous are destroyed, and inactivation of spore to 10 power 6 colony per milliliter of spore. And it's also efficacy on the virus, and particularly total inactivation of the CMV higher than 7 log. Preservation of the component activity, lipase 88% remains after this treatment, is the mean. And antimicrobial protein, lysozyme, lactoferrin, about 90%. IgR is maybe who have right 90%, but it's maybe 70%. But it's higher than older method. This is microbial safety. It's a protein with chromatography, gas, and mass spectrography. You can see the protein of raw milk, and you can see in the above the profile of high pressure profile is comparable. There is no modification of protein. This is lipase. The first three is raw milk, and there is 100% is totality of preservation. The second three, you can see there is 0% of lipase. It's an alternate method. And you can see that with HHP, novel HHP, you have between 80 to 100%, and in the mean is 88%. This is a lipid granulometry. I have said that the milk is composed by milk fat globules, but you have two sorts of milk fat globule. You have small, it's under 1 micron, and you have big, who measure about 5 micron. And in bold trace, you have the raw milk, and in the point you have the HHP, which is near raw milk, and older is not superposed with other raw milk. Cytokine, we have not enough measurement to see there is a statistical signification, but there is P 0.06. In the middle you have the cytokine of raw milk, the older LTLT in the right, and in the left you have HHP. You can see there is a proximity of cytokine and raw milk with difference, but it's better that it's the milieu less inflammatory than older. This is a table to the comparison between LTLT, HTSC, new HP, and you can see that Staphylo aureus is destroyed at log 4 with temperature methods, and log 6 with HHP. And there is no effect on spores with temperature system, and we have about 5-6 log with HHP. Ça, je passe. Ça aussi, on l'a dit. So, the machine exists, but we have the patent for France, but it's not, there is no human milk bank who have this machine. And the reason is, one reason is the expensive of the machine. Maybe for 12 liters of volume of you can sterilize, it's about 200,000 euro. But we can put in comparison with the milk you discarded and the price of the machine, and we can the industry can rent the machine, and about maybe 30,000 pound or euro per year, and in about 3 years you have you have you have gain this 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 machine. If this is the collection in France, I had recalled the number of liters per year when I was secretary of ADLF, and in 2014 we collect 67,000 liters per year, and you discarded 10,000 liters per year. So you lose in France 600,000 pounds or euro per year. It's at comparison with the price of the machine and the price of the discarded milk. If you want some details, mechanic detail. Unfortunately, Mr. Demazo is not here, but there is Adrien Plumcock. This is his email and his phone number. If you are interested, you phone me, and I will transfer the mail. I find very dumb. I am very sad that this work and these results does not arrive to be used in Human Milk Bank. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oh,
Thank you very much for your lecture. Any questions? Dr. Claude, please remove the mute.
Yes.
Okay.
In comparison with other methods, by temperature, high temperature or older temperature, there is this is not efficient to kill all the pathogen, and particularly the spores of bacilli.
Oh, tessék. Várlak,
The advantage is so to maintain lipase. In high HTST, the lipase is conserved, is preserved, but lower. And also in HTST, the bacillus, the spore bacillus are not killed.
Claude?
There is a different method with high pressure. And no, there is no results with the other method of high pressure on bacillus. There is one
Yes. Yes.
publication with high hydrostatic pressure who killed the bacillus. Is more recent. But we use 6,000 bar. And it modifies the components of bioactive component of human. But also the people, the scientific who use high pressure, very high pressure, have to add to human milk a product, biochemical product, which is not compatible with human milk. So this article do not use only high pressure, but he added one biochemical substance which the article is published in 2018 in Frontiers, and Guido Moro had recently put in the same livret booklet all the process of pasteurization, high temperature, pressure, but not the last article. On high pressure with a product, with a substance. And nutrients want me to produce a review on the journal, the paper Nutrients want me to publish a review review on high pressure processes. All the process of HHP. And we will compare with temperature process and all the sort of process of HHP. And with all other methods with HHP. But my problem is English. I hope that I finish the article before the end of December.
Okay.
It's my gift of the Noel. Thank you very much.
Claude, can I make you a question?
Yes.
Yes. First of all, thank you for your very, very interesting presentation. It's a real advance in the sterilization of milk. But reviewing your studies, I think that the destruction of bacteria and spore and keeping normal the immediate principles of milk could be considered a thermodynamic reaction. So, have you thought the idea of combining the three components of the destruction, that is pressure, temperature, and time, to reduce the price of the high pressure equipment?
But what is the question, please?
The destruction, the death of microbes and spores and molds could be approached from a thermodynamic point of view. That is, combining temperature, pressure, and time. Have you thought about the possibility to increase somewhat temperature and time and reduce the pressure in order to reduce the price of the equipment?
It's a work, a setup of this method lasts 3 years, and
yes,
3 years we have to set up the process, and we have studied all these 3 parameters, and
okay.
We have add 2 other parameters which are not used by the conventional HHP.
Okay.
It's to understand.
Yes.
With the pressure, the most parameter is 2 for the all people who use high pressure. He use very high pressure, about 5,000 bar, and between with 5 minutes.
Yes.
And he didn't kill the spores.
Okay.
And
Okay.
it don't preserve all the proactive component of humanity. And
Okay.
we think to add not 1 cycle, but 4 cycles.
Okay.
The first with very mild, moderate, about 1,000 bar, and a temperature of human body about 37, 38 degrees. And that what the spore say? The spore say, oh, it's marvelous. It's marvelous. We can go out.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
just after we apply the more higher pressure, about 3,500 bar, and we killed all the vegetative forms and all the spores.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The big problem is to have a good industrial who can produce this machine with lower price.
Okay. Okay.
I have
Thank you. Thank you.
I have think about yes, with maybe with Alexandra, who work. Alexandra works with HHP, but not success with again sports.
Okay.
And I hope to share this process with his industrial, one industrial.
Okay.
In Polonais, who the price of construction is
Okay.
Great. Shall we, if there are no more questions, shall we move on?
Yeah, sure.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you, Claude.
Thank you, Claude, for the
there is no problem.
Good.